Hello, my name is Azharrudin. I'm 55 years old from Kuala Lumpur. Personally, I would say that I'm a person who leads a very active lifestyle, i.e. I exercise a lot. Some of the exercises I do are quite exhaustive, and being at this age, I need a lot of time to recover from all the exercises I do. I've carried a lot of injuries. For example, I've got some muscle tear, my elbow, shoulder, knees, and also I carry a sciatica injury. I've had low back pain and all sort of injuries. Best improvement that I've seen is that before I took the Stemregen, I've had a lot of pain in my calf and also my elbow because I used to carry a lot of tennis elbow injuries. But after taking this for a few weeks, the pain in my left calf is now gone. I am now able to run, and my tennis elbow has also subsided quite substantially. Body recovers faster now, especially after doing a strenuous exercise, HIIT exercises and weight exercise. What I intend to do now is that I definitely will consume Stemregen for as long as I can and see how this product and where this product will take me.